What is up, guys? Back here with another video. Today I have a couple hours and it's a nice day out, so I'm just gonna do some bass fishing. I'll hit a couple different spots, we'll see what happens, and make a video. Thanks for watching. See you at the first fish. Alright guys, I literally just walked around here for a bit and I already know that there's no fish, so we're leaving and trying another spot. Guys, just got a fish. Thought I was recording. Apparently I was not. Caught another little one too. Well, that's an absolute failure by me. That's great. That is absolutely great. Let's get him back. Come on, buddy. Gotta be absolutely kidding me right now. You literally have to be kidding. Alright guys, so there's another bass right over here. Let's see. This time if I can actually get it on camera and not fail at life again. Alright, ready? Ready? The little one got it. Are you kidding me? Not the one we wanted. Not the one we wanted. Let's get him back. Of course it happens. Alright, well there's another one right here. Another really small one. Let's flick right on him. Oh, he's going towards it. He ate it. Give him a sec to swallow and he's on. Well, throw a finesse worm, you're 100% getting fish. Let's just flip him up here. Come here. Oh, I'm gonna fall through a hole there. Guys, I gotta get some bigger fish than this for you. Cannot be doing this. Cannot be doing this at all. Well, there's a fish. Let's get another one. Alright guys, so I'm really sucking at catching fish today, so we are literally at another spot. Because I can't give you like 2 dink 6-inch largemouth bass. So let's see how this works out. Well guys, I can tell you one thing. There is a lot of bluegills and a dink largie. Watch this. He ate it. On guys. There we go, guys, and guess what? There is still 2 more of them. Not as big as this guy, but there's 2 more. On. How many dinks can you catch in one day, dude? For real though. Alright guys, after looking around for a bit, I ended up coming back to the spot, and look what I got myself into. I'm talking like 3 pounds. If this fish eats, I will literally love this place forever. He's in here somewhere. He ate it, guys. He ate it. He ate it. He freaking ate it. It's in his mouth. On. Let's go. Oh my gosh, guys. He's running. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Yes. This is what we needed for the video. This is what we needed for the video. Let's go. Come here. Come here, bro. I'm going down. Gotta go down. Yes. Let's go. Let's freaking go, baby. The fish we needed. Oh, yes. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Finally. I've literally been waiting all day long for this fish. Finally produce something decent for the video. I'd say that's pretty awesome. Nice 2-pounder. He's not fat, but I cannot complain about that. Let's go, guys. Let's get a good release on this fish. It should be good. Absolute beauty, the Delaware River. You ready, buddy? The beast goes off. There we go, baby.